What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. How many of you guys actually like a modern design? Well, today's video is brought to you guys by Lecone, and we're taking a look at the really aesthetically pleasing wireless charging lamp. That's right, this thing actually has everything you could possibly need built directly into a lamp that you can place on your nightstand and have every single thing you could possibly need. That's right, this thing has a wireless charger built onto the lamp. Then it's a really modern looking lamp, so you place your light bulb on there, you pull the little thing and all of a sudden it's lighting up your room. Next off, it has two outlets, so you can plug in maybe another phone charger, or you can go and plug in maybe your vacuum cleaner, whatever you need. And lastly, it has two USB ports built into the side, so you can have maybe your wife's phone charging, or maybe your kid's Nintendo something charging. Regardless, it can charge up to 5 devices if you really want to do so. How cool is that? And all this is built into the stand of a lamp. How insane is that? The lampshade itself is also really nice. It gives it a warm ambient glow, and it's very modern looking. When it glows, it looks like one of those standing lamps that you place in maybe a living room, which is really awesome. The wireless charging is also compatible with every single iPhone, from the XS to the XR, XS, all the latest iPhones that just came out, the 11, 11 Pro, and of course the 8 and 8 Plus. It also works with most Samsung devices, and it's really cool. Now, my favorite thing is that this basically you plug in once, and all of a sudden you have 4 individual slots to plug things in. So what would I do here? Well, I would wirelessly charge my device. On top of that, I would have the lamp going. Next off, I would have maybe a MacBook plugged into one of the outlets. And lastly, I would have another person's phone that doesn't support wireless charging plugged into the USB slot. How cool is that? It does everything you could possibly need, and to make sure that the wireless charging is actually working, it can sometimes, if it's not working properly, or if you didn't put down your phone right, it will flash red and blue. How cool is that? It basically just tells you should tweak your phone and make sure it's placed on there properly. How awesome is that? Now, next off, it also has the dual AC outlets, and these can support up to 60 watts, so you can put in maybe a diffuser or a speaker or maybe a desk fan, anything that you want to leave on your night table. The other cool thing is, if you have AirPods or something of those sorts, you can also place them simply on the lamp right there, and it is pretty much set to go. It's also CUL US listed, so it has the UL certificate, so it's perfectly safe. And if you want exact dimensions, it comes in at around 180 millimeters times 180 millimeters, so of course make sure it fits on there as well. Lastly, I want to talk about how seamless the setup is. It's a matter of just unscrewing something, placing a light bulb, putting the lampshade on top of it, and afterwards you're pretty much all set up. You just plug it in, and afterwards you're set to go, and there's this warm glow going all throughout your room. How cool is that? So guys, go ahead and check it out in the link below. It has everything you could possibly need, and it is just really awesome looking, so it should look really cool on your desk. Thank you guys for watching. This is going to be me logging off.